There is one topic left under dynamic programming, which is nothing but our knapsack program, but we will be using the memory function to do this. Sometimes what can happen in exam, they might just ask this using memory function. You might just do the dynamic one, but I suggest you just to see this video once, because in this we are using memory function, which is a different method. So you won't be having like in that normal dynamic knapsack. How you should do is, we used to like from here we used to come some from here, all the values used to fill and come. Okay, but in this we will go from the back. Okay, we will do from bottom up. So usually what it says that it's, we know that we will have a final solution in this cell. Okay, so now what I will do, I will find the max value for this cell, and then for this cell which cells are required, I will go to that cell, and then so on like that I will keep on going up. Okay, so the formula is very simple for this. So let me just write the formula over here. So for not waste of time, I just pause and wrote the formula. Okay, so this formula is same as the dynamic program formula. There is no changes actually. So usually what happens is that, now first what I will do, I have to find this, because I know this is the solution. So what I will do, I will take v of, what is that, 4 comma 5. Okay, so for 4 comma 5, so v of 4 comma 5 is equals to, so I will be taking, or better let me just write here, v of 4 comma 5. Okay, so what I will do, I have to take max of, same thing, I won't write everything, I will just write I minus 1. So see here, this is my I and this is my j. So I minus 1 is 3 comma and 5 as it is. Either I have to select this value, or I have to select v of I minus 1, that is 3, minus j minus wi. Okay, so first okay, j is 5 and wi, so wic, this is 2, so 5 minus 2 is 3, plus the profit of this place is 15. So here why I took this formula is because j minus wi is greater than or equal to 0. So 5 minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So here I got it as 2, right? So 3, sorry, 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So I got to know, I now see, to find this place I need to find 3 comma 5. Okay, and I have to find 3 comma 3. Okay, this thing, understood, right? Let me just erase this properly here. So I have to find this cell, then I also have to find this cell. Okay, then let me find this 3 comma 5 first. Okay, so now instead of 4 5, I am taking, let me use this one, 3 5. I'll just erase this because I need space to write. I would have kept it as it, but I need space. So 3 5. So I minus 1, v of I minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 5 itself, comma, or else I minus 1 is 2, comma, j minus wi. So 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? Wi is here. Okay, so it is w1, w2, w3, w4. So wi for this thing 3 5, right? So this place is wi. So 5 minus 3, this is 2 again, plus profit in this place is 25. Okay, so now in order to find this thing 3 5, I have to find 2 5 and 2 2, which is the 2 5. So 0 1 2, so it's nothing but this place. Okay, I have to find this one, and 2 2, so 2 2 is this. Okay, I have to find this. Remaining will be minus 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 minus, that will do. So first let me just put that initially all are 0, right? So that I forgot to write here, I'll just write it, initially all are 0, we know that. Then I have to find low, let me just start with 2 5. Okay, so now here it's not 3 5, it is 2 comma 5, this is j. So now v of I minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, comma 1 comma 5, here v of 1 comma j is 5, 5 minus wi. So what is the place in the second item? So second item weight is 1, so 1 comma 4, okay, plus what's the profit here, that is 10. So now in order to find this thing, I have to find 1 4. So 1 4 is this, okay, this dabba, 1 4 is this, and then 1 5 also, 1 5. So now we have reached to the end. If I go further, it will be 0 comma 5, and then here it will be here also it will be 0 comma 5. So then, okay, then I can start finding. Okay, so now 1 comma 5, 1 comma 4, this is plus 10. So 1 comma 5. So now if I have to find 1 comma 5, I'll have to find 1 comma 5 now. Okay, now what I'll do, v of I minus 1, what is I minus 1? 0, comma j is 5, comma, so this v of I minus 1, okay, so I minus 1 is 0 again, j minus wi, the weight is 2, so that is 3, 0 comma 3, plus what's the profit here, vi, that is 12, okay. So now see here, here 0 comma 5 we have the value, 0 comma 5, that is 0, comma, here we have 0 plus 12, which is nothing but 12. So what's the max thing I got, that is 12. So max is selected, so 1 comma 5 becomes 12 now. You understood, right, how like I got 12 over there. Similarly, so I'll try to find now 1 comma 4. So my j is now 4 here, 1 comma 4. If I have to find 1 comma 4, same way, 0 comma 4 I r, 0 comma, what is j w I here, that is 2, plus 12, so this also becomes 12, okay. Similarly, I can say that all the places over here, this will anyhow it will be 12 itself, okay. So then next, what are the red boxes? 2 comma 2, okay, let me just try 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2, if I have to find 2 comma 2, so to find 2, let us see what we are getting here now. So I minus 1, that is 1 comma 2, or v of 1 comma, so j minus wi, so 1, so 1 comma 1, okay, plus what's the profit of this thing, that is 10. Now again I have to find 1 comma 1 for this, which comes here, okay. So then simply I can try to go back and try to find again 1 comma 1 here. So I, it will be 1, so j is 2, 2 minus 1, 2 again. So if I have to find 1 comma 1, let us see now, 1 comma 1, okay. So here 0 comma 1, or v of 0 comma j minus wi, so it is 1, wi is what here, 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, okay. So since my j value here, j minus wi is not, is less than 0, so we know that if wi is greater than 1, so since it is 0 greater than less than thing, so it will come, it will be by default will become 0 here, okay. So you are understanding, right? Since it is minus 1, so minus 1 means it will go beyond, so it is 0 obviously. If not also, you can just say if j is less than, it will be obviously minus 1. So we got thing. So again let us go back to this 2 2. So 1 minus 2, or here 1 minus 1, right, plus what's the profit, 10. So 1 2, what's the profit in 1 2? So here also it is 12 actually, okay. By default you can write it 12. So 1 2, in 1 2 it is 12, comma 1 comma 1 is 0 plus 10. So I have to, you have to select either 12 or 10. So what you will select, you will select what to say, 12 over here, okay. Similarly, one by one you have to just write on like that, and then you have to find. So now I will find 2 5, right. So what will be 1 comma 5, or 1 comma 4 plus 10. So 1 comma 5 is 12, or 1 comma 4 is 12 plus 10, which gives me 22, 12 and 22. So I'll write here 22. Okay, next I have to find 3, 3. Both are 3 now. See, you can see now these cells are empty, but further to find this I might just need to find those things. So 3, 3 will be 2 comma 3. So see here, I don't have 2 comma 3 here, right? So now since I got to know that I have to find 2 comma 3, let me just go and find 2 comma 3 instead. So 2 comma 3 if I do, then it will be 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 or 1 comma, what is wi for here? So the first item, so 1 comma 1, okay, plus 12. Am I right? So see here j is 3, so 2 3, so item is I is 2, 0 1 2, okay, sorry, so I have to subtract only 1, so it will be 1 comma 2, not 1 comma 1. So 1 3, what is 1 3? 1 3 is 12, and 1 2, 1 2 is also 12, 12 plus 12, that gives me 24. Is it right? Somewhere I think I'm okay. Here it is not 12, actually it is 10 actually, right? So it gives me 22. So I missed, so it's here I is 2, right? So I have to take this profit, so this is 10, gives me 22. So 2 3, 2 3 is 22. Since it is 22 and here it is 22, so obviously in the middle we can put 22, okay? So now I will go back and I will find 3 3 again. So it will be 2 comma 3, or here 2 comma, so j is 3, what is wi here? 0 1 2 3, so 3, 2 comma 0, okay. So here j is 3 and wi, I is what here? 3, 0 1 2 3. At this place the weight is, so it's 0 itself, plus 25, okay. So 2 3, what is the place in 2 3? 2 3 is 22, and 2 0, 2 0, 2 0 is 0 plus 25. So I got 25 here, okay. So I will select 25. Wait, so 3 3, right? 3 comma 3, this place. Somewhere I am going wrong. Okay, my bad, here it's 20, not 25, okay. So this thing was 20, sorry, it happens. So 22 itself will be updated here. Why? Because okay, then now what I will do, I have to find 3 comma 5, okay. To find 3 comma 5, so here it will be 2 comma 5 itself, and here 5 minus 3, that is 2, plus 20, okay. So what's the value in 2 2? 2 2 2, it's 12, 12 plus 20, that gives me 32, okay. So this will get updated to 32. Then what I have to find, that is 4 comma 5, for which I have to find 3 comma 5, or v of 3 comma 5 minus wi, 5 minus 2 is 3, plus the profit here is 15. So 3 comma 5 is 32, or 3 3 is 22 plus 15. So I am getting 37. I got 37. I placed it. As you can see, I did not have to write this, 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 this. So this was not required for me. Even here, it did not ask. I just wrote off like, so here 22, here 22. So first I found out all the places which is required, and then I kept on like, so these places were not required for me to calculate. This was required, this was required. Again I went back, I calculated, I wrote. Remaining things are not required. So using this formula, we do it like that, and that's it. So it actually took time, na? So better you don't have to go for this thing because it usually takes time. But for explaining, it took time for me. But I have, if you understand and solve fast, it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes, or the like 25% of the time which I took for making this video.